Starms here, and today I just want to share with you what you need to do to really create success for your online business. Now, the biggest thing that you can do is actually be laser focused on your daily strategies. Pay attention to what you're doing and be very intentional. Create a plan. And actually, not only just a plan, but begin to create rituals like morning rituals and evening rituals. And when I say that, I'm referring to these activities that you just do, on autopilot. Like at night, make sure you review what you've done for the day and then make your list of things to do for the following day. In the morning, go over your list and knock out the things, the main priorities first. Like really make sure that, okay, you get your top 3 most important things done for that day. The things that can't wait, like categorize and organize the things that you actually want to accomplish. And writing them down and moving in that manner will really help you get a lot done over a pretty short period of time. So I just wanted to share that with you so that you can be aware and be very intentional so that you can create the success that you want for 2018. And with that being said, there are some other tips that I'd like to share with you, but you can go ahead and read the blog post below where I kind of go in and expound on these different areas of how to achieve your goals. And I've also actually written a book called Life and Business in Motion that you can find out about in this particular blog post and pick up a copy. It's a workbook, and it gives you a goal setting strategy where you can track your goals, review them, take steps daily, like break them down and have daily steps so that you can achieve them, and just create a timetable and really move forward and get the things done that you really want to accomplish. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and read the post and click the link to connect with me, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye-bye.